Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back with another sticker DIY. Today we're going to be turning this dingy garbage can into, almost dropped that, into something less dingy. Let's get started. First things first, we are going to disinfect the garbage can because, well, it's a garbage can. Ew. Alright, so I got a box of stickers here. I have lots of stickers that are sort of beach, water, ocean, California, surfer sort of theme. And that's kind of the theme of my new place. So I thought I'd make the garbage can to match that. So it didn't turn out exactly as I was hoping, but it still looks way better than it did before. That one's my favorite. If you enjoyed this DIY video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace!